they're looking so again. So new video, you already know. Yeah, I go do too much talking today. Kinda want to get straight into the video. But yeah, you already know, before any video I have to say big up y'all for the love, the support, the encouragement, all of it. Big up y'all, and big up the fellas that always commenting on the videos. There are someone that they from not the first video ever, the first couple videos on the channel, and them man still commenting right through. Samuel in specific. Samuel, I can't remember the last name, but yeah, and always commenting on the videos from day one before the channel was anything. So big up that one for all the support on the video so far. So yeah boy, since the last video boy, a lot happened. You'll like go see the yang on the channel again, because the yang sell yesterday. But before the yang sell it, so yang give me a little, you know, a little kiss before it go. I take a little fall on the yang. I post that video on the Instagram, so yeah, you want to check on that, I will leave the link in the description. Yeah, I take a little fall on that. Boy, you can just give me a little goodbye kiss. So yeah, I just have to say big up y'all before the video start. We're getting straight into it today. So yeah, boom. Yeah, me say so, new video. So yeah, the last video I tried with Dirty Matt, I'd end the video in, no, I didn't end the video in Cul-de-sac, but we had a right to go down Cul-de-sac side. So today I basically continuing on from there. So we just turned in to reach, correct me if I'm wrong here, but that is Bexo side. Yeah, I just turned in from Cul-de-sac. I full the tank already. So today we go in Dennery there. So we go in by the mechanic. You check it, change the fork seals, do some other things on the bike. And it's looking like I'll have to come down another day to collect the bike. So we thought it would have been a one day job, but it's looking so again. Already start going down, so I go meet Diamond down there, or he go meet me down there, or sometimes we're at the same time, because Diamond leave home like how long before me? Diamond leave home a good little while before me. I feel it was like 20-15 minutes before me. So sometimes I end up reaching at the same time as Diamond, or he reach there before me. Yeah, me say the view for the ride coming in another video, because all of us want to go on that ride together. Like we want the first view for the ride to be, check it as a solo ride. So when all of us free, most likely a Saturday or something, so that is when we go take the trad and go down view for. I see some of you all asking for the view for the ride, but more time we have to make sure the bike's up to standard, and then we go take the longer trad. Yeah, but it coming for sure, me say it coming for sure. And we say last video, like I'd kind of switch it up a little bit, because I wanted to kind of experiment. Salop, what the fuck done up my helmet there, boy? I wanted to experiment like how different videos go to. So last video it was more vlogging than actual like riding POV. So I wanted to see how that video would do. But like the video do good in a sense of like the people that usually watching the channel, but the interactions like just on a whole, it wasn't the best. So me say let me know if y'all want to see more of the vlogging kind of videos, because I personally like the vlogging, but you check it, I have to do what y'all want to see, because it's y'all that making the channel. You check it. let me know what you want to see, and don't forget to leave a comment, a like or something, because the little interactions boosting the videos big time, big time, big time. So may say if y'all could like, comment, or even share the video, that would do the channel good, may say. So if y'all could do that, yeah, push the channel a little bit, grow the family, you check it, because the content only going to improve as the channel get bigger. So it's the little interactions, me say, little interactions. Car, bro. Let me say, you know already, I have to say it every single video. Every video. Big up you all for the support, me say. And not even just the support, big up you all for the advice and everything too. I already tell you all, don't be afraid to leave a comment or something. Check it if you see anything I doing that not the best or that needs some work. Leave some advice, and even if you like leave a comment publicly, but check it, DM me on Instagram or something, because there are people that do it already, and I try and take the advice, like I try and practice. Check it what they tell me, because what they tell me making more sense than what I actually doing. So you check it, I try and put them little notes of advice you're giving me into practice. So yeah, me say, and I just read all comments, and I just try to reply to all too. Even the DMs, I just try and reply to all DMs, all comments, everything. So you check it, don't be afraid to leave a little comment, a little word of advice. Boy, for the weather would have been fuck up today. Because I have to pull out on the cursing. My auntie, my auntie already talked to me. You check it, the aunties and thing watching, so I have to try and hold it down. But yeah, I thought the weather would have been bad today, doggy. Because yesterday it rained so much, and when I wake up, doggy, I seen like the weather not the best at all. I seen outside still wet. It's still looking overcast. I say, yeah boy, that ride will have to do another day, but sun out, road dry. Yeah man. Yeah, me say, so as we going into that area there, the edge of the rainforest, it might get a little darker. And areas have so much gravel too, doggy. Here they like the corner in Morshy, full of gravel. No boy, the breeze inside there nice, boy. What? Oh boy, there. Still a little wet day. As if I really get any gravel yet. But I self I want to talk too soon. But I self know every time I come here, that road always have a gravel. Oh yeah, look right there. Look more there. Yeah man, I talk too soon, boy. I talk way too soon. boy, the Viewport ride will come soon, boy. What? I riding there by myself but not feeling so nice, dog. Fallas, what the fuck I saying there, boy? Fallas if pattern dirty mat there. And when peace get is too. Boy, the ride as a group go feel nice. Yeah, right, I'm gonna stop there. Dog, what are you doing? Look, why you didn't just go there? But I sent a message for you. One knockout day. One knockout day. Yeah, me say so. We were just there trying to figure out where the mechanic is. So I think, well, I ain't too sure, but we just, when I reach closer, I go try and give him a call again to see if I going in the right direction. Oh boy, look, I find I reach there fast, look, I stop. I leave home a little after 9. I stop in the gas station to full the tank. Where else I stop? I stop at 2 different ATMs because one ATM wasn't working. I stop, well, yeah, oh no, and then town had traffic, like I'd passed any traffic in town. And then they had a couple places, they had people just blocking the whole road. Bumping, oh fuck. Okay, I keep forgetting, okay, you have to stop, I have to try and stop cursing. My aunties tell me cool out, they tell me cool out, so I working on it, working on it. So we are reaching as far as the viewpoint, or we going just around the corner there by Thomas, so I feel, and then it's back. So you see, when because I feel like the village all the way down there, like all the way across there, I feel like the village itself. So when we're doing the Viewport ride, that is when we go start. Well, not start on the viewpoint, but that is when we go pass by the viewpoint. Or when I go and pick up the bike, on the way back up, I might start the video, or that is if I record. But on the way back up, I might start the video. Boy, they're losing track, you know. I go start the video on the viewpoint. If I continue that video from when I pick up the bike. Yeah, me say so. I feel like I cut the video short because I was basically just trying to figure out where exactly I was even going. So yeah, but before I go, I already know I have to big up y'all for all the love, the support and encouragement on the videos y'all showing so far. Let me say, don't forget to like, comment or even subscribe, because the little interactions boosting the channel and the videos big time. Check it out as the channel grow, content only going to get better. So yeah, me say, like, we're trying to grow the family, make the content better one time. So yeah, I go see y'all in the next one. You already know. Much love. Boom.